Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the Retracement Finder Indicator for MT4. This tool is designed to highlight pullbacks within trends, helping you visually locate retracement areas where price temporarily moves against the prevailing direction. At this point I'm going to load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports, and there we have it. Alright, as you can see, the retracement finder indicator typically plots colored signals or markers on or near candles where it detects a retracement relative to the recent trend. In an uptrend, markers may appear during downward corrections, visually separating temporary pullbacks from the broader bullish move, while in a downtrend, they highlight upward corrections within the bearish swing. As these markers accumulate, they form a visual map of where retracements have occurred, implying zones where traders might pay closer attention to how price behaves relative to the underlying trend. The pattern of retracement points can also show whether pullbacks are becoming deeper or shallower over time, hinting at weakening or strengthening trend conditions. You can see it in its own separate window. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Okay, the key inputs include the period, the number of bars. They use alerts, you can set alerts, and they can also send you alerts through email. You can customize your preferred colors so that it fits in with your MT4 chart theme, and you can trade at your preferred time frames as well. So who is this indicator for? The retracement finder indicator is suited to trend traders who focus on trading in the direction of the main move but want a structured way to see where counter trend pullbacks occur. It is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Its signals should be combined with confirmation such as support and resistance, candlestick structure, and risk management rules. In sideways markets or when trends are weak, the indicator may display many retracement markers that do not lead to sustained continuations, so it should not be used on its own. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Retracement Finder Indicator and related tools at the Forex Geek. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.